Did you ever try to test what font looks best with your current work, just to find out that there is a bunch of them that are not downloaded to your computer? It can be frustrating, because you need to download them one by one, if you want to check how your text would look like. But I have a solution for you. With Simple Macro you can download them all at once, and they will be available across all your Office 365 applications. This process will take just a couple of minutes, and it is very easy. First you need to open a new Word document. Here in search box, type in macro and choose this one, View Macros. Write a name for your macro, let's say fonts, and select Create. Now you need to write down your code. I have it already written down in my notepad, and I will just copy it and paste it here, and you can copy this code from comments below the video. What will this piece of code do, is that it will write the name of the first font, and then it will format the text into the same font, it will insert new paragraph and it will repeat the process, until it cycles through all fonts. During this process all fonts that are not downloaded to your computer will be downloaded. Now just go to this icon, little floppy disk, and save this. Close this window, and up here in search box, type in macro again, choose this, and now we can run it. Maybe it will take a minute or two, but once it is done, close your file. And open it again. Now when we go here to check our fonts, we can see that all of them are now downloaded, no more this little cloud signs. And, as I mentioned at the beginning, now it is downloaded across all your Office 365 apps.